Hello and welcome to the Power of Three presentation. I'm Mariah Davis and I'm one of the doTERRA leaders who created this club and this presentation for a very specific purpose. Oftentimes as doTERRA entrepreneurs, we come across friends and family who are interested in making some extra cash but don't want to become wellness educators or run a full-on network marketing business like we do. So we wanted to carve out a specific path to help fulfill their needs. Now, this presentation is not for those wanting to become doTERRA entrepreneurs. It's an invitation for our friends, family, and current doTERRA customers to join the Power of Three Club. Our intention is to create a simple way for our friends and family to have an extra stream of income while investing in their health on a monthly basis. The person who invited you cares about you and wants to see you thrive financially and be in good health. So we're going to show you how to use doTERRA to make an extra $1,300 a month without the effort of building a full-time business. Now, just for a moment, imagine, how would your life change with an extra $1,300 a month? How would your health improve if you were to swap out toxic products with clean ones? If you had natural forms of medicine at your fingertips? And if your cells were nourished with the most absorbable nutrients? We've listed the top 5 reasons why our friends and family opt into this Power of Three Club. First, there's the extra $1,300 monthly. You'll also get access to all the free wellness education we've created for you to take advantage of. Then there's the monthly box of products you receive for investing in your health each month, with high quality supplements, clean home and personal care products, and natural solutions. You'll also receive free products and even additional bonuses. Here's how it works. It's pretty simple. You first set up your monthly wellness box subscription of 100 PV, which is approximately $200 a month with tax and shipping, depending on what you choose. Next, you find 3 people willing to commit to the monthly wellness box and to finding their 3 people as well. Then you help your 3 people repeat step 1 and 2. So let's show you what that looks like. Everyone's goal is really just this first goal here, and that's to find your 3 people who want to join you in the Power of Three Club. And a reasonable amount of time to hit this goal would be about a month, and this is where you are set up to receive your $50 Power of Three check. The second goal is for your 3 people to get their 3 people started. Just as with you, 1 month is a good time for them to have achieved this goal. Now remember, you are not finding 9 people here. Your 3 are each finding their 3, just as you did. Everyone finds 3 people. So this is where you receive your $250 Power of Three check, now that your first and second levels are complete. Goal 3 is for your third level to be complete. Again, each of the 9 people on level 2 are finding only 3 people each. No one is finding all 27, and everyone could shoot for the goal of finding their 3 people in 1 month's time. This is what it looks like when your Power of Three structure is complete and you receive your $1,500 check. Minus the $200 investment in your health with the wellness products, that's a $1,300 profit. Now let's visualize what happens when everyone just finds 3 to join this club. It keeps duplicating beyond your 3 levels because each person in this club wants to have their 3 levels complete. Each person on your level 3 finds their 3, and so on and so on. And this gives you even more income. It's so exciting, and I'm going to explain another way you will actually end up making money in addition to your $1,500 Power of Three check. Surprise! doTERRA also pays you a percentage off the orders of every single person under you 7 levels down after their first 60 days. Look at what happens as the Power of Three structure duplicates down and the number of people multiply by 3. You'll get paid a larger percentage on the lower levels because there's going to be more Power of Three club members the further down you go. Well, you get paid a larger percentage, plus there's more members on the bottom level, if that makes sense. You can see it's not much with just your 3 on level 1, that's the $9. But once you get your Power of 3 structure completed, you will be making an extra $310 with this bonus. Add up levels 1, 2, and 3, that's the $9 plus the $49 plus the $252. And that more than covers your monthly health investment. On your 7th level, you will be making $32,571 monthly. This is no joke. People retire financially free on this residual income. Remember, this is a club where we all commit to our monthly health investment and to finding just 3 to do the same. As you can see, the growth is limitless when everyone just finds 3. You're not building up a large customer base. You just find 3 to join the club with you. Let's talk a little bit about what you get when you join the Power of 3 club. You'll get that $1,500 check when your structure is complete, plus some fun bonuses along the way. You get the wellness box each month that you get to customize with a variety of product options. We've created all kinds of free wellness education for you on different topics about the products and on natural solutions. You'll also get free products, community, a wellness consultation with the leaders, and with time, even more residual income. Some of the free resources I want to highlight are the step-by-step guide, support from the upline leaders above you, the support of the community, wellness education, product recommendations, and even a targeted wellness program if you would like to take advantage of that. All it takes is you and 3 other people who duplicate this to make it happen. So who do you know who would benefit from investing in their health and earning a bit more income each month? You probably know at least 3 people. This is for you if you love natural wellness or want to transition into a natural lifestyle. You are committed to investing 150 PV into your health with the wellness products each month. You're committed to finding 3 people who also want to join the club. You have a positive mindset, you have integrity, and you can follow a step-by-step process. Regarding that monthly investment into your health, I just want to point out that you're already spending that money. You're buying shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, body wash, soap, home cleaners, deodorant, skincare, supplements, even medicine. So I suggest making a list of those things you buy and then swap them out with doTERRA's non-toxic products, supplements, and natural medicine. For me personally, I found that I began saving money, especially with the supplements and essential oils. The oils are such a pure and potent form of plant medicine that replace many over-the-counters, and they last longer too. The trio of food-based supplements are also so absorbable for the body and contain a lot of the nutrients I was buying in separate bottles from other companies. So it's definitely easy to make the switch and spend the same amount. Some common questions we get. How long does it take? Well, it could take 1 to 5 months to complete your Power of 3 structure, depending on how fast you want to go. Really, all 3 levels could be complete in 1 month if everyone comes in with their 3 from the start. Okay, why 150 PV? PV is product volume, FYI, and you and your 3 need to have a total volume of 600 PV to get the Power of 3 check. So we divide it up equally. 150 times 4 people, you and your 3, that's 4 people, equals 600. What if I don't have a large network? You can still try by starting with good friends and family. All you need is 3 people who want to play, 3 who want to improve their health and get some extra cash. What if I can't do 150 PV 1 month? Well, you'll miss out on your check. This club is for those who can commit to their monthly investment because what we do affects our friends above us. So we stay committed and we all prosper. Also, remember, you're probably spending that money anyway. Might as well make it work for you. I would just factor it into your grocery budget each month. Plus, you'll get the free products too. Okay, what if someone quits? Well, they'd stop receiving their checks. However, if someone does quit, there is an option to have someone else take their spot and reap the benefits. So it should be easy to bring someone in who gets a head start. But if someone quits in a structure that is starting out, you'll need to find someone new. So you'll have your 3 committed club members. And a good tip is to consider finding 4 people instead of 3 just to be safe. Remember, everyone just needs 3 who want to invest in their health each month and receive $1,300 by repeating this process. And that's the power of 3. And it all starts with a yes. Imagine what happens when everyone just says yes to this club. Everyone prospers. It could be that simple. So just say yes to better health and more abundance. We are in this together and want to see each other thrive. How awesome is that? If you're ready to say yes to better health and more abundance, free wellness education, free products, community, all the things, please contact the person who invited you so they can help you join our next Zoom call, get plugged into the resources and community, and follow the steps. We look forward to welcoming you into the Power of 3 Club.